Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start now. Make sure your Realme C11 is unlocked and at least 20% charged so nothing interrupts the process. Open the Settings app directly from the app drawer or by swiping down and tapping the gear icon. Once done, scroll to the bottom and tap About Phone. This is where Build Information lives and where the first unlocking action takes place. Don't skip straight to Developer Options. You need the build info first. Now find Software Information or Version and expose the build number line. This is the trigger. Tap build number 7 times quickly, count them if it helps, and you'll see a countdown toast like you are now X steps away from being a developer. If your phone asks, enter your PIN or password to confirm. This secures the change. Once you see the You are now a developer message, developer options are activated but not yet visible in the main settings list. Return to Settings and open Additional Settings. Developer options should appear there. Toggle the switch to enable them, then scroll to enable USB debugging or other features you need. Make sure to read prompts before allowing access. If developer options don't show, reboot the phone and repeat the 7-tap process. Sometimes the system needs a restart to refresh menus. Troubleshooting tip: if USB debugging won't stay enabled,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.